remove one bundle of Madonna Wraps from the box. Open it by ripping, or whatever you find to be the easiest way to rip. Open the bag. Find the back of the wrap, which is the side that has the ribbon pre-attached to it. You want to open the wraps up so that they can lay flat on the table with the ribbon side up. In order to remove only one, if you pull it by the ribbon, only one will come up at a time, as you can see here. The ribbon is the divider. So you just pull one up and you have the full complete wrap. To wrap the flowers, place the Madonna Wrap flat on the table, but with the ribbon now on the back. Place the flowers or the bunch or the bouquet inside and wrap around according to the size. Some people prefer to use a little bit of tape. You can do that if you desire. It helps keep everything in place. Then grab your ribbon and tie a bow. And then you have an easy to wrap Madonna Wrap bouquet.